Big news for iPhone fans. The iPhone 17 leaks are here, and they're confirming a long-awaited display upgrade. Yep, it's finally happening. Apple seems to have reached a key development milestone, and the countdown to the official launch has begun. This could be one of Apple's most game-changing releases in recent years, though it might come with a price tag to match. In this video, we're breaking down all the latest leaks and what they could mean for the iPhone 17 lineup dropping this fall. Let's start with the base iPhone 17. While it might still look familiar, Apple's not leaving it behind on the tech front. According to display analyst Ross Young, as reported by Apple Insider, Apple plans to increase the screen size from 6.1 inches to 6.27 inches. It's not a huge leap, but it's enough to notice. What's more exciting is the long overdue upgrade to a 120 Hz refresh rate. Yes, finally. Multiple earlier reports hinted at this, and now with Young confirming it, this feature is looking more and more likely. But that's not all. The front camera is also getting a serious upgrade. After sticking with the same 12MP camera since the iPhone 14 Pro, Apple's expected to bump it up to a 24MP sensor, all tucked into the dynamic island. That means crisper selfies, more natural skin tones, and better quality for FaceTime and social apps. A recently leaked image shared by Boo on X adds more fuel to the fire, showing off what looks like a redesigned pill-shaped camera bar, something pretty similar to what we've seen on the Pixel 9. If this design holds up, it would be a big visual change for the iPhone. Another surprising update, according to tipster Digital Station and well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, all iPhone 17 models, even the base one, could ship with 12 GB of RAM. That's a big jump from the 8 GB found in the iPhone 16 series. With Apple leaning hard into AI and Apple Intelligence features, the extra memory could make a noticeable difference. Now remember that titanium frame on the iPhone 15 Pro? There's talk that the iPhone 17 Pro models might actually switch back to aluminum frames. Analyst Jeff Pu suggests this might be to reduce the overall weight or make room for other hardware changes. Either way, it's a surprising twist that has sparked a lot of discussion. And of course, we have to talk about price. Unfortunately, things might be going up. Due to ongoing global tariffs and supply chain issues, Apple could be planning a price hike across the iPhone 17 lineup. Rumors suggest the base model might start somewhere between $799 and $899, which would be a noticeable bump from previous models. Definitely something to keep in mind if you're planning to upgrade. So when can we expect the iPhone 17? Right now, the target window is September 2025. And according to leaks from late April, Apple has already completed the engineering validation phase. That's a major internal milestone, meaning the design is locked and production prep is underway. Based on Apple's usual patterns, we're likely looking at an official reveal sometime in mid-September, though of course nothing's confirmed until it's on stage. That's everything we know so far about the upcoming iPhone 17, from the display upgrade and camera changes to possible price increases. Let us know what you think in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade, or are the changes not worth it for you? If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Apple news and updates. Thanks for watching.